Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today it will be a little unusual topic. However, I still decided to record the video and just to talk to you about that. So as you can see, I am on vacation. I am currently here in Cancun, Mexico, and it's been so far an amazing trip. I'm here with my mom and I just came only to relax and re-energize, fill myself with positive vibes and actually eat healthy, swim a lot and just kind of like restart. In order to have a nice vacation and in order to enjoy everything around you, we need to have a good source of vitamins and nutritions. So when I came to hotel, I saw this beautiful buffet with so many foods and variety of different foods. And then when I start to look more close, I saw that there is a lot of foods that are cooked with a lot of oils, with some ingredients that I personally don't eat. For example, I do not eat meat already for 7 years and I try to stay away from dairy and I also try to stay away from eggs. So the only thing that I eat is a wild fish. And I feel like wild fish has so many fatty acids, so many nutrients, omega-3 that are so beneficial for our body and our body absolutely needs it. In order to be healthy and strong, I have to confess, I am a pescatarian. So first of all, when I came to hotel, I went to the manager and I let him know, I'm like, I am not eating farm-raised fish because of amount of antibiotics, steroids, hormones that this farm fish contains. I also don't want to eat farm shrimp and different shellfish that was grown on a farm. So I'm like, what from all your restaurants or all your buffets that you have, what is not farmed? Could you just please show me a couple items that are wild and I just want to eat only that? So they was very nice here and they did point me on couple items and it's wild, and now I am extremely happy because I can actually eat what I love to eat and what I choose to eat. Besides that, I feed myself with different sprouts, greens, beans, corn, a lot of fruits and fruits juices. And I feel like this kind of diet where I have my protein and I have my vegetables and fruits, it's the best diet ever that I can imagine. And I can monitor my weight, and even been here for 3 days and eating more than I'm eating at home, I didn't gain any weight, which is already make me so happy. Also, I want to tell you about alcohol. Alcohol contains a lot of sugar. When we drink alcohol, we not only gaining weight, but it also reflects not in very good way on our skin. So how to drink alcohol safe? How to enjoy your 1, 2, 3, 4 cocktails when you come to vacation? What can you do in order to help your body to get all these toxins out and to get less toxins? So what I do, I found nice sparkling water in a glass bottle. I will show you now. Loving it so far. That's the best one that I could find here. Maybe you can find something else. Share with me, comment below. And I just keep order this water. I'm trying not to drink any pina colada with sugar or any other cocktails that contain sugar or some artificial preservatives. But I take a glass of water, I squeeze a lot of lemon or lime in this water. I drink it after my meal. And after that, I start to drink alcohol. So alcohol dissolves better when you have some water before than if you only had the food before. It dissolves better. I still feel buzz, which is nice. That's why I'm drinking. And then after I done my first cocktail, I drink another glass of water with lemon, and then I can have my second cocktail. And after second cocktail, I again have my water with lemon. And also I run to bathroom pretty often, but it's okay because my body is detoxing and nothing really staying for a long time in my gut. So I feel like this was helping a lot because I was waking up without any headache, feeling fresh. Like, look at my face, I feel fresh, and I'm still drinking 2-3 cocktails every night and I feel amazing. So that's another tip what you can do for yourself when you're traveling. I have more tips, so keep watching my channel. And for now, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Please subscribe.